Here we have a Volkswagen Touran, just done a spare key for a customer. Customer managed to put his old key through the washing machine. It's killed the remote, but the key still starts it. Customer wants a spare. New key, all cut and programmed. A couple of little features on these cars. You can put the key in the lock, hold the key over, and it'll put the windows up if you get out and forget. Turn it the other way and you put the keys down, put the windows down to cool it down before you get in. Also does the same if you press and hold the button on the key, and it'll put the windows up. And once it gets to the top, it'll actually flash the indicator to let you know everything's closed successfully. Everything closed. And if you get out of the car, if you come out of the car and everything's hot and you want to cool it down before you get in, let all the hot air out, let it cool down. Another thing, if you only press it once, it'll only unlock the driver's door, which is good if you're a single person and you don't want someone jumping in the traffic lights. We can change that feature if you prefer to open all the doors at once. That's all the doors open. Another little thing you need to be careful of, if the car's locked and you open the boot, you accidentally leave the key in the boot, get your shopping out, get out. The car will actually automatically lock, and if you've only got one key, the key's in the boot and you're stuck. So luckily the customer has a spare now. Thanks for watching.